This is the theremin. No keys, no touching. So how does a player even remember a song? On each side of the theremin, there's an antenna. The vertical antenna on the left controls pitch. The closer your hand gets, the higher the note. Move it farther away, and the pitch drops. The loop-shaped antenna on the right controls volume. Real theremin players don't memorize notes. They first sing the entire melody into their body. They're not thinking, which note is this? They're thinking, I need to move up a little here and come back down there. Because on a theremin, notes aren't pressed. They're found in the air. So how do teachers teach it? The first lesson isn't playing a song. It's holding one note steady. Your stance stays fixed. Your elbow becomes a reference point. Your body can't drift. Teachers aren't really teaching sheet music. They're teaching how to remember space with your body. That's why the theremin feels more like singing and more like martial arts. You're not playing it. You're using your body to control the air.